In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for PR angle validation fast and easy. If you're looking to validate a public relations angle or simply want insightful data to back up your story pitches, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, open up your web browser and head to Google Trends. You can easily find the website by doing a quick search for Google Trends and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Explore section. This is where all the magic happens, so let's click on it and dive deeper. Now that you're in the Explore section, the next crucial step is to type in the keywords or phrases that align with your PR angle. For instance, if your angle is about remote work trends, sustainable fashion, AI and healthcare, or holiday shopping tips, type in those keywords. A helpful tip here is to use the topic option if it's available. This nifty feature captures not just your specific searches, but also related searches, giving you a broader view of interest levels. After you've entered your keywords, hit Enter. This brings up a wealth of data regarding your chosen topic. But we're not done yet. Next, we'll refine these results according to the specific region and category that you're targeting. Under Region, select the country or geographic area where your audience or media outlets are located. For the category, align it with your niche, be it news, business, technology, or any other relevant category. With your filters in place, it's time to analyze the interest over time. Here, you have the option to set a specific time frame, such as the past 12 months or even the past 5 years, depending on your needs. What you're looking for are rising trends which indicate that your PR angle is gaining traction. Spikes in interest suggest a potential for timely coverage, while declining interest might signal that the topic won't attract as much attention as you'd like. Next, scroll down to explore related topics and queries. This section provides insights into rising trends that could make your story more compelling, as well as top searches that consistently resonate with audiences. Finally, to compare multiple angles, use the Plus Compare feature. This allows you to add 2 to 5 potential angles for the same story and see which ones are generating the most or growing interest. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to use Google Trends effectively to validate your PR angles and find the most compelling data for your storytelling needs. Thanks for watching, and happy trend hunting!